back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be from US Bank. You're going to be reviewing transactions and seeing if they are fraudulent or not. But real quickly, before we get into it, I do just want to ask, I saw a comment on one of my videos a week or two ago when it was a sticker mule video, I believe. Somebody said that they were concerned about how often that actual job position was posted. They weren't sure if it's because people just weren't working out or the company was growing and continuing to hire people. So if you have companies like, I know US Bank hires a lot of work from home. I've seen them shared. I've shared them a few times, and I've seen other work from home channels and share them too. So if there's certain companies that you're just tired of seeing positions for, will you let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try to share less of those companies and more of other companies. Just always trying to get your feedback, because I am trying to make this channel more geared towards really helping you find what you're looking for. But with that being said, of course, if you enjoy these videos, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and sharing with all your friends and family. Now, US Bank has 10,000 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars, and they are hiring a case processor for their check fraud claims. But they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for that case support, investigation, and disposition for unauthorized or disputed account activity. So the primary scope of the job includes checking transactions and ensuring the compliance with federal regulations, just validating general transaction processing, issuing provisional and final credits, reversing fees and interest, and sending customer-facing communications, recovering funds through merchants or other financial institutions. So this is when a customer disputes a charge on their account saying they didn't make it. While the investigation is ongoing, I assume you'll give them provisional credit to their account. You'll replace the money in their account, basically. This has happened to me on my bank account before, even though it wasn't with US Bank. So I've been through this process as a customer, and what normally happens is you put the money back in their account in a pending basis, and then you do your investigation to determining if the transactions are actually fraudulent, and if you determine they are, you'll finalize that credit so that their money is back in their account. And if those transactions caused any fees, overdraft fees, things like that, you'll reverse those fees on their account as well. So you're just reviewing all these transactions. Now, this is a daytime first shift Monday through Friday job. They are looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and typically 2 years of some kind of related work experience, but no college degree is needed. Other than that, you do need to know basic knowledge of banking products, services, terminology, things like that. Have great time management skills, great communication skills, and somebody who can use technology tools well. Now, pay for this position ranges depending on location and experience, but is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $27.35 an hour. And they do offer that standard benefit package that includes a medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.